If someone is having a problem or something's broke and you can fix it, it's a good feeling knowing that you go out of there and you actually helped them out and did a good job. My name's Jacob. I have been working here for 2 years. The first year that I started working here, I was in the shop running parts, and then I moved up to duct cleaning, which I've been doing for about a year now. So that's the 2 years. Just seems like everybody's kind of got each other's back around here. You see it when the guys, like someone gets back early, they'll call everyone else and make sure that they're good before they leave for the day, so you know everyone's kind of got their back. Everyone's got their different position, but in the end, it takes everybody to get the job done. I think it goes back to the higher ups, as in the owners who started it. Just, they've been around so long, and I think when you come in and you see that, you know, you got an expectation to be as good as you can be when you go in there and get as close to everything perfect as possible. Want to keep continuing up the ladder to the top, learning whatever. That's what I like about this, is you learn hands-on. You get to go out with someone, they'll show you, they'll talk you through it. I know a lot of the shop guys are still working up, so it's a great spot to start. You learn all the parts, where everything is. And then they just started this school, which is really good, so we'll still be able to, and it's not really school. You're still coming into work, you're going into the field, getting hands-on stuff, so you're not just sitting in the classroom all day. So it would be a great spot to start, I'd say, is here.